So the 2.0 display design is the next phase of revolution for mobile technology. Smartphone makers have been working on to reduce the screen to body ratio since the launch of the devices like LG G6 and Samsung Galaxy S8. They have finally reached a point where a full screen phone could actually exist. You might have seen these screen protector leaks that have been in the talks lately, specifically for the edges, not because of any normal curves. But yeah, these curves are so aggressive at an angle of somewhere around 90 degrees. In one of my previous videos, we talked about the V2.0 and how does it impact the user experience. Today we have a working prototype and of course our first look at this type of design. Oppo, who recently showcased the under-display camera tech through a working prototype, has again managed to make some headlines get into the contrast with the help of this. First things first, this is not a phone that will enter the production line at least for the next 6 months. They're just trying to be in the game and boast about the tech advancement that they have made in this particular field. We doesn't even know the name for it, so let's call it waterfall screen technology, as it flows or melts all the way to the back of the phone. As you can see, the curves are so deep that they don't even leave a room for volume rockers or power switch. The latter one is now at the top of the phone like in traditional times, and the volume rockers are also replaced by virtual buttons on the screen. The edges are curved at angles of 88 degrees, which is very close to 90 degrees. It simply gives you a screen to body ratio of over 100%. Now the thing is, we don't have any further details about it, but according to Ice Universe, it's expected to launch in the year 2020, and by the looks of it, I assume that Oppo will implement the under-display camera tech on this phone. That being said, the phone looks absolutely beautiful and I hope it doesn't spoil the user experience by the accidental touches. I believe if a company could make a phone like this, they have the potential to make a software that rejects accidental palm touches. By the way, the video experience through this display seems to be awesome. I just wonder if they can implement the stereo speakers on a phone like this. That said, a lot of other companies are also working on a similar type of display phones except Samsung, because they cancelled the Project R6. For daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.